Good afternoon, Widyasari.
Good afternoon.
Eurasia Research welcomes you to this meeting. Congratulations on being selected as the eminent person.
Thank you.
Okay, Widyasari, let's proceed.
Okay.
Please start with your introduction.
Okay. Thank you to invite me to this Zoom meeting. Let me introduce myself. My name is Widyasari. I am a graduate of the Educational Technology doctoral program in Jakarta State University, Indonesia.
Okay. So, Widyasari, how's the climate there?
Sorry?
How is the climate there? Is it winter, summer?
This is more winter.
Okay, so I hope you and your family is safe.
Thank you very much. You too.
Okay. So, Vidyashree, my second question is that what
Yes.
was your motivation during COVID to do research and attend conferences?
Okay. Attending a conference is one of the mandatory output that must be carried on out in publishing research results. So even in the COVID condition, like now, they still carry out research obligations. The result of this research is the availability of digital library application as a learning resource for lecturers and students. Actually, because pandemic COVID-19, we cannot go to the campus to do activity like usual. So it's hard to us to find digital resources, learning resources. That's it.
Okay, so Vidyashree, if I'm right, you are from Jakarta, right?
Sorry?
You are from Jakarta, right?
Yes,
Jakarta, Indonesia.
Jakarta, Indonesia, but I work in Bogor, about 1 hour from Jakarta.
Okay, so what is the situation of COVID in your country currently?
Currently, the COVID-19 is not like 6 or 8 months before. Actually, this is rather fine now. We can go anywhere,
Okay,
but still in protocol. Of course,
so
yes,
are there strict protocols being followed there?
yes. We
Uh,
strict for the protocol.
so mask and sanitizer are compulsory also.
Of course.
Okay, so are you
Yes.
a lecturer? Like, are you going somewhere to teach in schools or university?
To university. I teach university actually. This for elementary lecture. Sorry, lecturer. I teach them for a teacher in elementary school.
Okay, so you must be fond of
Yes,
kids also.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so Vidyashree, my next question to you is that what do you think about
Okay.
attending online rather than physical conferences during the pandemic?
Actually, attending conference online is the best alternative during the COVID-19 pandemic because this is to suppress the massive spread of the viruses because we cannot contact social distance, of course. So I think online conference is the best choice for us.
Okay, even
That's
I
it.
also feel the same.
Sorry.
I also feel the same, like
I don't know.
attending online
Yes,
conferences
yes.
is good rather than avoiding it
Yes,
completely.
yes. It's
And
my worry of us.
we are very grateful that participants like you attend our conferences and you're very active in that.
Yes. Of course.
Okay. So, Vidyasri, you must be having many friends also in your school and university even. So, do you suggest to and or encourage your friends and colleagues to attend the online conference?
Of course, yes.
Are there any of your friend who has also joined our conference before or
In
with
the
you?
next, in the future conference, you mean
No, I'm asking about the past conferences.
the part of conferences? Sorry, I don't. My signal is not very good. Sorry, can you repeat again?
I'm saying that has any of your friends joined our any past conferences?
Sorry, sorry.
I mean to say that have you encouraged anybody or has your any of your friend joined our past conferences?
Oh, I see. Okay, okay, okay. Yes. Actually, I joined this conference because my friend too, Mrs. Rasmita Dila, because this
Yeah,
is her second conference joined to Terra. So
yeah,
she asked me to join. So because this is my mandatory to make a international conference to join the international conference. So I joined. This is my first time to join your conference in Terra. It's very nice. I hope we can meet offline uh, in
yeah.
the
Soon.
same. Yeah, yeah, of course, of course.
Yeah, we know
Yes.
Rasmita, and she has been a keynote speaker of many of our conferences.
Oh, I see. Yes, yes,
Yeah, she's
yes.
very
She's
good.
active. Yes,
Active.
very good.
Yeah,
She's active. Yes,
she's
active
active.
in many international conference too. She asked me
Yeah.
to join, so I will ask my friend to join this conference too, because this is about concern about education actually. So and we
Yeah.
are in education majoring, so this fit with our background.
Yeah, and it's a great platform when various researchers join and discuss about various topics, especially for the
Yes.
teaching. So we would expect you also to promote and encourage your friends to join and colleagues.
Yes, 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 of course. And one thing that I interest in join this conference is about one theme that we are discussing in many country purview. Uh, last conference when I joined this conference, we are talking about sex education. If not, I'm mistake about sex education.
Yeah,
And this is yes, we are talking, we brainstorming from all over the country. It's very nice to me to know what happened with the sex education in another country. It's very nice to me.
yeah, it was the topic of the conference. I know, and
Yes, yes,
it was very brainstorming and interesting question.
yes,
I
yes,
agree.
yes, yes, yes. I interested what the top about the topic too.
Yeah, somebody like some people were in favor of that. Somebody had some different views, and we came to know about it.
Yes, yes, yes. That's maybe our point of view. We have to because we have maybe different culture.
Yeah.
So this is maybe a different how to solve the problem too, I think.
Yeah, it's very important. Like I personally believe that it should be promoted.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. So Vidyashree, my final question with you is your positive feedback about our conference.
Okay. This conference all are well managed, I think, and interaction are designed to be interesting, like conversation, like I said before, and then trying to involve all participants to be active during the conference process because this is not easy when we took online conference because need a design arrangement in a good arrangement of course because we are in different place.
Yeah.
So if there is no interaction from you to
Mhm.
help this conference, maybe difficult, a little bit difficult, I think. But
It is.
when I joined the conference, the online conference, that's interesting.
Mm.
Uh, the host asked one by one. That I learned about how to do seminar online to from you
Oh,
from the
that's
Terra.
great.
Yes, of course. Yes, yes,
This is some
yes,
different compliment which we have received today, and it's from your side.
yes. Um, I think this conference learn me or teach me how to conduct the online seminar, online conference, how to interact with each other, because if the host is not active like that, so we'll be passive too. We'll be passive too. But as long as I join this conference, very very interesting. That's a compliment. Yes.
Thank you so much, Vidyasri. So we are very grateful that you joined. And again, I would like to congratulate on being selected as the eminent person of our conference. I hope you are fit and fine, and so is your family.
Yes.
So
Thank you. You too.
thank you very much. See you
Yes.
soon in our future conferences.
Yes. Yes. Of course. Of course. Let me know about the next conference, and I will
Sure, I'll
because
send you the link.
yes, yes. Maybe the last one, as a researchers, we have to conduct international conference every year. That's mandatory actually, and
Well,
I'm interesting to
we
join
have our
your
next
next.
conference in
Okay,
Bali from 22nd December this month.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay,
If you wish to join, you are most welcome.
okay. Thank you very much. I
Okay.
follow the account from Terra.
Okay, okay. So you're connected
Yes.
on Facebook as well.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
I'll personally send you the link also. If you wish to join, you're most welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Okay. Bye bye,
Okay.
Vidyasri.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hope you
Bye.
have a great day.
Thank you very much. You too.